No fight. Good job. No fight. What we are doing here? We are riding monster truck in snow. So we have this artificial snow powder, which is a polymer.
They are color white.
Yeah, they are color white, and just we add water into that, and along with some blue color.
Big blue water.
Yes, big blue water. For 1 spoon of powder, we have to add 100 spoon of water. Big. So and then we got really good colorful snow, and now we are driving monster truck. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, how many monster truck we had? 6. And really? Can you count and tell me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, now can you tell me the color?
Blue, orange, red, blue, orange, and green.
This is not orange. This is yellow. Now let's start the race. Let me tell you the story. So there were 6. So we have 6 monster truck, and this is green, blue. This is blue orange. This is the Blippy monster truck, and this is yellow, red. This is teal color. And this is
Color blue.
yeah. When then everyone started the race. 1, 2. Oh, this monster truck fell down. So this is out of the race. Now we have 5, and they will start the race. Oh, this is also fell down. So this is out of the race. Now we have the 4. Let's start the race. Oh, these all 3 fell down. So they are out of the race. And this is the winner. Okay. So what we are going to make next? Snow. We are going to make something from the snow. Let me. I can make a car here. Police car? Okay, let me make the police car. Pam, pa, pam, pa, pam, pa, pam, pa, pam.
Racing monster is the car.
Yes, let me show you. Okay, so now I am going to make the police car. Good job.
Police car.
Yes, we are going to make the police car.
This dude car. Now, wheel water.
Okay.
There's like car right. Tire.
Yes, this is the tire.
And this here more tire.
And here tire. And then and here we have door. And let me make the police light here, right? Yes, we have this police light here. Good job. And here, this is the headlight. So we made police car.
It's amazing. Go monster truck.
And then we got monster truck. Good job, good job, good job. Okay, okay. Let me. Yeah. This monster truck is down inside the snow. This got stuck in the snow. Can you take it out?
This green monster truck.
Yes, the green monster truck is stuck now. Tick, 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 tick.
Now here.
Yeah, can you get back, guys? Get back. Yes. Uh-oh. Clean.
And this one is the
So good, no? It's so good.
Papa, this monster great load going. This go to fast load.
Oh, you are going to load?
Fast load.
Okay. I also going to load this, and then I am going to deliver. Oh, okay, Shamar, you have snow here. Okay. So I am going to deliver snow to Shamar. Okay. Yes. You got snow. I love it. I love playing in the snow. Do you love it? Really? No, not down, please.
Up.
Yeah. Monster truck are really very powerful. Can you keep the monster truck here?
They have big snow here.
Oh,
Wrong.
not wrong, right? No, not good, Samar. Not in mouth.
This me bang. What bungus? Blippi monster truck is like.
This way?
Blippi monster truck.
But Blippi monster truck is always blue and orange.
This one.
Yeah? Oh, this is blue and yellow, not orange. Can you tell me what is the color of this wheel?
Orange and blue and blue.
Orange,
And yellow.
yellow, and this is teal color. Yes. And can you tell me what is the wheel color?
Blue.
And what is the trunk color?
Red.
Oh, truck color is red. How many tires are there?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 tire. Good job. And how many tires is here?
So faster.
No.
More. Four.
4. And
Bye.
bye. See you later in the next experiment. Bye bye. We are going to enjoy this snow for a long time, right?